Okay, so for this next little activity, you can use your decimal converter. And what I want you to do is in your math notebook or on a piece of paper, I want you to write with your fractions, I want you to write their decimals, okay? So 1 whole or 1 is equal to 1, like that. It's just 1, right? And you can also write it as 100 over 100, or you can write it as, well, anything over itself is equal to 1. But this shows you 1 is 100 parts out of 100 parts. It's filling up all the parts. Then here's our 1/2. 1/2 is equal to 50 100ths, which is equal to 0.50. I kind of did it backwards on the first one, huh? It's okay. They're all equal to each other, so it does not matter. Then let's move on to the thirds. I haven't cut out all my thirds yet, so I'm just going to use my fraction piece, okay? So my third, we determined, was equal to 33, right? 33. So my 1/3 is equal to 33 over 100, which is equal to 0.33. What about my 1/4? My 1/4 is equal to 25. So we would write this in our math notebook or on our piece of paper. 1/4 equals 25 100ths, which is equal to 0.25. And let's move on to 1/5. Our 1/5 is equal to 20 100ths, which is the same as writing 0.20, right? What about our 1/6? I will count. Oh, there's an ant on my 1/6. I will cut out 1/6. And let's take a look. 1/6 is, it's a little bit more than halfway between 10 and 20, so we learned that it was 16. It's really like 0.166666, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to just say, okay, 1/6 is equal to 16 100ths, or 0.16. I'm going to run out of room, aren't I? What about a 1/7? Let's see what a 1/7 is. I'm going to cut out one of my 1/7ths. Remember to label yours. Label yours. So I'm going to write 1/7. Okay, let's see. What is it? Ooh, it looks to be, let's just make sure. It looks to be about 15. Oh, it's 14. I see that it's 14 right here, but you check yours. So let's write what 14. So 1/7 equals 14 100ths, or 0.14. And go to 1/8. 1/8. We're getting smaller. We're getting closer to 1/10, aren't we? Notice My denominator is staying 100. My numerators are getting smaller. Okay, 1/8. Gosh, it looks like it's a 12 there. It looks like 12. Let's check. There we go. Yeah, it's right at 12. So here's 10, 11, 12. It looks like it's almost between 12 and 13. So it might be more numbers after that too, but we're not going to worry about that. This isn't a precision endeavor at this moment. We're just getting a good idea about how fractions and decimals are related. So I'll move on to a piece of paper so that you can keep going. 1/8 is equivalent to about, I'll say about 12 hundredths or 0.12. Did I write 1/8 on here? I did not. Let's write 1/8. 1/8. Somebody's calling me, or our school, but I can't answer because I'm doing videos. Okay. Here is my 1/9. 1/9. Ooh, we're almost to 1/10. Okay, I'm going to check to be sure with my more exact frame. So here is the 1/9. Ooh, it's at 11, isn't it? So it's 1 tick past 10. Can you see that? Let me get it a little bit closer. See, here's 10 and there's 11. So we'll write 1/9 equals 11 hundredths. And we can write that 11 hundredths looks like that. And this was my 1/9. 1/9. Aren't you guys glad you've done so much work with fractions now? This will seem not hard since you've done so much work. And of course, here's our 1/10. And now that we're back to a number that's got a 10 in the denominator, that's easy. 10 hundredths or 0.10. And that, my friends, is what I want you to do with your decimal converter or your centesimal frame. I want you to write all your fractions up to tenths and then write their big fraction with the denominator over the denominator of 100 because it's per cent, which means of 100, and then the decimal number. Okay? Have fun with that. And later we'll do some addition using our centesimal frame. All right, friends, see you later.